morning everyone, my name is Leia and right now we are here at La Dolce Vita in Land Resort. So what I'm going to do now is to show you one of the venues of La Dolce Vita in Land Resort. So please come with me inside. So this is the entrance of La Dolce Vita in Land Resort. As you can see, it's full of green and it is really refreshing. Please come. So this is the entrance of La Flora venue in La Dolce Vita in Land Resort. What will excite you today is that there is a wedding ceremony that will happen. So also we have the pool rules. This is the entrance also. And I'm going to show you. This is the setup of a wedding ceremony, a Muslim wedding ceremony of La Dolce Vita in Land Resort. So its total package is 35K and its inclusion is 2 main dish, 1 side dish, dessert and soft drinks. And also what is good in that is we have a freebie for you. You will just only choose one. So for the first one, we have room accommodation for 1 day or 5 hours makeup room or 20 packs free swimming pool. How good isn't it? Let's roam around. This is the beautiful spots of La Flora in La Dolce and Land Resort. We have the centerpiece. This is our buffet area. And let's proceed to our hotel area. This is our art with flowers. And I'm going to show you also the Le Grande. This is the Le Grande entrance, the second venues of La Dolce Vita in Land Resort. And if you wonder where is the comfort room of La Dolce Vita, yes, it is in here. And if there is any queries you have, this is our A information or desk information. So this is our cottage. Our cottage is 300 and the pool entrance each is 50 pesos only. So why not avail with us? And if you have exclusive, we have 5 hours pool and 3,500 only. Five hours is not bad, but it's really amazing. So come with us and swim with us. That's all. Thank you.